Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have swatches of some of the March polish pickup nail polishes for you. I can't believe that another month has already passed and we are nearing again the polish pickup store to be open. If you don't know what polish pickup is, I will link for you all the details in the description box. But this is an online store where you can purchase limited edition nail polishes, hand care and other things created by indie makers. The store is only open for a few days, typically opens first Friday of the month, and in March that falls on March 6th and will be open until March 9th. The polishes that you see in front of me were sent to me by the makers, so thank you so much to everybody who did send me their nail polishes. And today I will swatch all of these for you on my nails, that way you see how they apply. And the wish listing is also already open, so you can go to Polish Pickup's website right now, and if you like any of these polishes you can put them in your cart, and then when the store opens you can purchase them as well. Anyways, I will have link everything in the description box, but if you have any questions please feel free to ask them. If you enjoy live swatch videos, then please don't forget to thumbs up this one for me, and if you're new here and you don't want to miss out on any of my future review videos, then also hit the subscribe button. And just maybe if I would pick a favorite, I think this time it will be Colores de Carol's King Tooth. I just love everything Egypt related, and I think I forgot to say that the theme is ancient history. So for me the theme is very close, and the polish itself, as you will see in the swatch, live swatch portion, is absolutely stunning, so that's my personal favorite. But all of these polishes are absolutely stunning and I would pick them up on my own even if they would have not been sent to me. So keep watching my live swatches guys. I do hope you will enjoy the video, and I think that's it for today. So thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.
Let's go. Turn up. Let's go.